Hello everyone, Lionel again this side. So far we have seen basics of Excels and pivot tables, as well as a few tips and tricks of plus slicers and how they can help in our data analysis. Today we are going to see how to format our report layout in Excel for pivot tables. For that, let's begin. First we have to insert a pivot table. Insert pivot table from data range is equal to table. So here I will select the customer name, the quantity that we have sold, and invoice value, and the region where they are located. Okay. So here, if I want to see this, the region where they are located, uh, in a better way, where I can see design tab, then go to the report layout, then show in a tabular form. Here I can see parallelly on the other column the region-wise sales to particular customer. Okay. Uh, we can also do one thing if we want to repeat the row labels. We can click here, right? Here row labels. What we can do? We click here. We can go report and repeat all items labels. Here we can see the row labels have been repeated, which will be very much useful in applying X lookups and V lookups. Okay, so I'm undoing now. So suppose you want to or don't want this totals to be shown, you can go to the subtotals and do not show subtotals. One more way to do that is you can press Control minus. All the subtotals will disappear. I want to remove this region. You want to have data and you want to see date wise and month wise as well. So here what you can do, you can click here and group this data by months. So it will come to months, or else you can also group by quarters. Select here, so you can see quarter wise data.